conceited. Give me Darren Raisin Branch.
Let's go.
Conceited, you ready?
Ready.
Darren, you ready? Wanna root?
Boy, if you don't get your... Help, little ass boy.
Whoa, shaky.
Darren, when you played football, your favorite position was quarter pounder. Shut up.
Boy, if you don't get your half lives matter looking ass little boy.
If you don't get your fat lives matter ass looking boy.
Boy, if you don't get your goddamn mannequin ass little boy.
Whoa, too shaky, you. Oh!